Evening everyone, Mr. Drone here once more. Bit of a different video today than the usual drone videos. What I set up to do and what I, what my passion is to post about and upload. Just talking gibberish really. Stop Nick. So anyway, bit of a different video today. I was in the office working away hard, and it was nice and bright earlier on. And then all of a sudden I happened to look out the window and I seen a big black cloud coming over, which I could tell there was a storm coming. So as luck would have it, I had my drones, which I always carry, but I wasn't risking putting them in the air considering how black the sky was. But I had my DJI Osmo 2. So I took the Osmo 2 out, popped it up on the window ledge in work, looking out the windows at the sky and to see if I could catch the storm, any thunder and lightning. Let's have a look what I caught. I hope you enjoy. Right, I'm just going to pop my Osmo here, looking out our office window, see if it catches any of this storm. Look at those clouds. Oof, I hope I caught that. Oh wow, tell me you got that, Osmo. Why, come on. Hail no. Big thunder. I love a storm. Yes. I'll see that. I hope so. Open this window. Yeah, if I open it like that, maybe we might be able to take in the thunder a bit more. Let's give it a go. Right, okay. That was a lot of lightning, wasn't it, for a Tuesday afternoon in May the 11th, in the UK. Just not the sort of weather I'd expect. But then it brightened up a lot again. Within half hour, it was really, really bright for the rest of the afternoon. It's been bright this evening. If you look over there, it looks lovely. However, looking back the other way, check this out. Check that out if you can see. Tell you what I'll do. Turn you around. Why don't I get the Mini out, the DJI Mini, pop it up in the air, give you a 360, just show you what I'm looking at. Give me a sec. Okay, right, here we go. Take you straight up. I'll take us all the way up to 100 meters. Let's go, let's get up there. All the way up to 100. Looking out at that lovely lovely sky over the beach at West Kirby. See the nice wind farm in the distance. Looking relatively nice out there, isn't it? Okay, there we are. We're at 100 meters. And now, let me turn you around. Let me turn you around. Here we go. Nice sky, all getting a little bit darker. A little bit darker. Still not looking too bad, is it? Looks okay. Oh, look at the clouds coming in. Do you know what? It's actually just starting to rain here. I've just put the Mini up to 100 meters. It's not ideal, but look at them. Look at them clouds. And I tell you what, if I put the camera up, you know, it's actually just starting to rain, which is not ideal for the Mini, but do you know what? Let's see how long the little guy can last out there. Let's take you even more in. And these clouds are quite literally horrendous, but looking at my screen, they don't actually look as bad on screen as they do what I'm looking at, but they're really dark compared to, well, let me flip you around really quick. I wouldn't usually do this, but let's go compared to that. Look at that right above. Right above, look at that. This is nasty. Okay guys, the Mini is still right up at 103 meters. Checking out these clouds. So it's going to be about time that I brought the little fella back down, because we don't want any water damage to come to it, do we?